Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sagar Prajapati, and in this video I will be talking about the real-time scenario of delete activity and get metadata activity. So before going to that, I would like to introduce my channel Geekcoders. Here I upload videos on Azure Databricks, Azure Data Factory, SQL, Python, and so on. So if you're liking my content, you can subscribe to my channel and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. So if I open my notepad, sorry, if I open my portal, then you can see in the blob storage in this source container, I have these three files testing underscore 3.csv, testing underscore 5.csv, and testing.csv. And you can see here the size of the file is 27 bytes, 2.73 KB, and then we have 27 bytes. Okay, I want to delete the files in this container who's having size 27 bytes. Okay. So what will I do? I will open my Azure Data Factory, and here I will create a new pipeline. And here I will drag GetMetaDataActivity activity. I will choose a link service. I will choose a data set. Okay. And if I open it, then I will create one more parameter called blob. It's done. And let me use a blob parameter here. It's done. Everything is okay. Let me go back. Here I have to pass a container name source and blob name is .csv star.csv. Okay, and here in the field list I have to choose child items because I want to see how many how many what are the how many files we have it and what are the names of the files and their property. That's why I have chosen here child items. Now I will do I will choose here for each. Okay, I will not choose now. Let me debug it and then I will tell you why I am choosing here for each. I have created a video on this before, so if you haven't watched it, you can go and watch it out. So it is running now. It will take some seconds. Yeah, sometime it takes time. Okay, meanwhile, what will I do? I will drag a for each here. Okay, it got failed. Oh, what is the issue? Let me see. Blob is missing container source path. Okay, let me remove it and let me go to this data set, and here I have to change my link service, and now if I run it then it should work. Let me debug it. Now it is running, and if I refresh it and if I click on this output button, then you can see we have this child item property here, that is name type name type name type, and it is in one of the array. What I want to do, I want to iterate over this array, so I have to use for each. So I'm choosing for each here attached to this, and in the setting option I have to choose whether it is sequential or parallel. Let it be. I will make it parallel, and in the items box I have to choose get metadata child item. Okay, it is done. Now if I have to edit it, then here I will choose here again get metadata activity, and I have to choose this dataset again, and here the same thing I will do source, and here blob name instead of adding .csv I will choose a file names from the for each iterator. Okay, here I will use dot name. So why I'm using dot name, I will tell you. No, okay, I'm telling you right now. So if I go to this output option, then you can see we have given this in for each. I have given I've given the pointer till child item. Okay, now I want to traverse into this loop. Okay, so it is going inside it now. Inside this one, I have name and type property. So I have to choose either. I have to take name or type. So that's why I have chosen here item dot name. So because I want to retrieve the name of the folder, name of the files. Okay, it is done. Let me open it, and here now I will choose. Now I will choose size. Okay, now what will I do? Now what we'll do, I will use here if else condition, because I want to check, I want to check the size of the file. So here I will write mm, equals, and here I will pass for each. Okay, for it is done. Get metadata this. Okay, and here I will pass 27. If it is true, then what I have to do, if it is true, then I have to delete those files. So I click on this delete activity, logging, let me disable it, and in the source I have to choose again the data set, and here the container name is source, and the blob name is what? Blob name is blob name is for each activity. So I guess it is not coming. Let me see. Okay, it is not coming. It is not coming. So what we can do is that here it is not coming, right? So let me delete it for now, and let me debug it. Will tell you, what is happening. Now you can see it is running, and if I click on this input button, then you can see I have given this blob.csv, and okay, and let it be. It is taking some extra time. Okay, so this 3 has been earned. Now we have this if condition. If I click on this get metadata 2, then the blob name is this, field list is size. And if I debug, if I refresh it again, then you can see the output of this is size 2800, here 27, and again we have 27. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to name. Okay, okay, I got it. We did a small mistake is that I can choose instead of creating a parameter and all. What I can do, I can choose here. I can choose here child items. No, that is not correct. Item name, mm, item type. I can choose here item name. Okay, item name property, and let me debug it again. So if I debug it again, then you can see we will get the name of the files. Okay, and we will get the size also. So based on that, I will choose this that size and name का combination, and I will try to delete it. Mhm. See, we have this size and item name present over here. So if I click on this for each now, if I go to this if else condition, if I go to true, then I have to tag this delete activity, disable this for now, and go to source, click on this CSV file, choose container source, and blob is what? Blob is click on it, and get metadata 2 dot item name. Okay, and And yeah, that's it. I do not want to choose this. I do not know why it is coming. Okay, let it be. Here also it is correct. Size 27. Okay, now let me debug it. So if I debug it now, then you will see that this testing underscore 3.csv and testing.csv will be deleted because the size of these two folders, I mean two files, are 27 bytes. Okay, let me go. It is taking time. Oh, okay, it is running, right? It is running. That's what I thought, that why it did not delete the things. Now you can see only two delete operations or two delete pipelines have been triggered. Now if I refresh it, then you can see I have only testing underscore 5.csv block present because the size is greater than 27 bytes. Okay, so this is a real time scenario where where you use get metadata activity delete for each. Yeah, those things, those activities we have used in a real time scenario. So like we have many things over here. If I delete this and if I show you in this general option, only we have execute pipeline fail, then stored procedure script validation. So we will see one by one what does it mean, and where we have to use this. Then we have this iteration also, we have filter, switch until, then we have power query, and apart from this we have this database things, notebook, jar, python. In data lake also we have this usql. Then if I go to this move and transform option, then we have covered copy data, but we have data flow also. And then we have scheduled triggers. What are different between debug and trigger? So everything we have it, like many things we have it. So we will be seeing in future, one by one, these activities, where we have to apply, and we will talk about the real time mini project of this ADF, where we will clean the data and dump the data into a location. Then we will do multiple operation in one single pipeline. So we will tell you, not now, in some time, after after I completed all the basic of this ADF. So I hope you are liking my content. So if you're liking my content, you can ask your friends, or refer to your friends to my channel, so that they will also get benefited. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you have understood this concept. And yeah, thank you.